Suppressed listings on Amazon can be frustrating. How do you troubleshoot them? What are they? What are the impacts of suppressed listings? I'll cover all that in this video. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. All right, so I'm going to go into an account. This has got 2 suppressed listings right now. I'm going to click into the suppression so you can see what's going on. You go to the image section, and there's this red flag. And basically, Amazon doesn't really like the kit, doesn't like that it's showing what it believes is text on the image, and it's suppressing it. So when an item is suppressed like this, if you were to search the title inside of Amazon, you would not find this product in search. So I'll demonstrate that. So let's go to Amazon.com. I'm just going to type in the product title, and you'll note that even though I used every word of the title verbatim, the item doesn't come up. If you were to make a variety of different searches, you would never find this product. That's what a suppression means. It means it cannot be viewed inside of search. Another aspect of a suppression is that advertising is not active or live during the suppression. So it, in essence, kills all of your sales to a product, which is a big deal. That's why suppressions are so important to get fixed. One of the problems of suppressions is that Amazon does not contact you. They do not send an email or a notification. We got my co-host here, Hunter, joining our shot, and he's getting a little camera shy, and so now he's hiding. So suppressions are really important to figure out quickly, but you do not get notified that they are being caused or exist. So in essence, you have to catch them. Not always easy to do. So I generally recommend to do a full audit on all of your products of your account on a pretty consistent basis. Depending on how complex your products are, will answer how frequently. But I would do it at least once every 4 weeks, maybe as much as every 2 weeks, depending on how many SKUs are on the account. And if all you did was just go to your manage inventory page and look at this top dashboard so you can see how many are inactive, how many are in unfulfillable. Fixed stranded, that's another topic, very hot. Stranded is usually a little bit more complicated than a suppression. So while an item is suppressed, it can still be purchased technically, right? So if I click on this listing right now, I can still add it to the cart. Now, Amazon is penalizing me and trying to convince me to go fix the suppression, but they're not preventing the sale. Whereas a stranded item, the listing is completely down, cannot be purchased. So that's the difference between a suppressed listing and a stranding. It's harder to fix a stranded event typically. A suppression often, most commonly, is one of 2 reasons. The first is the image, which we've kind of talked about in this one. And in this situation, because there's actual text on the products, I think Amazon's algorithm is catching that. Another potential possibility here is that there's just multiple items in the shot, so it's like a kit, and Amazon doesn't like that either. So because you hear me guessing what the issue is, Amazon does not give you the specific reason, so you do have to guess. So my recommendation is to brute force it. Crop the photo differently, change the photo, and re-upload it. That's typically the best way to do it. Sometimes adding a little bit of white space could fix it. Now, in this case, there's no products bleeding over the edge, so I'm actually pretty surprised if that would be the solution here. It's probably more likely it's just text on the product and it's a bug, so you might want to ticket it. Another common issue is a suppressed title. So recently, Amazon has suppressed titles for certain keywords. Like in the home goods category, you can't use the word gifts, which is odd. And other holiday phrasing like Father's Day, Mother's Day kind of stuff is also sometimes, not always, being suppressed. So just be on the lookout for that. Whenever you load a new product or make a title change, I would highly encourage you to audit to make sure you don't have suppressions on a frequent basis, at least until 14 days have passed. And then, you've seen 0 suppressions in that time period, and then you're probably okay. All right, so that's what I recommend you do to fix suppressions. Looks like it's time for me to go put this kiddo down. If you need any additional Amazon consulting or want to subscribe to our YouTube channel or our podcast to get additional information about how to improve your sales on Amazon, feel free or go to myamazonguy.com. My name is Steven, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.